All right, folks, we have here what's called a Quantum 6-Edge power chair. Quantum 6-Edge power chair. This power chair has a 6-inch seat lift. So this one here is equipped with just a seat lift. So if you need 6 inches to get you up to the dishes and to the first cabinet or get you up a little higher than most people, it does have a 6-inch seat lift. Other than that, it does have the captain's seat, which we'll cover in a minute. The chair is practically new. I don't think this chair was used more than 3 or 4 months. Everything is original. Everything looks new. There's no mileage on this joystick, can't tell, but it looks brand new. So it is an older model, but it's practically brand new. It was sitting in someone's home. And this one does have the 6-inch seat lift. So to make the seat go up, you go to your joystick and you push the blue button down until you see a picture of the seat on your screen. As soon as you see a picture of this chair on your screen, you use your joystick back and forth to go up and down. So if I pull it back, you can see the seat lift going up. So you're going to start roughly at 22, and if you add 6 inches, you'll be at 28. Okay? So this chair with the seat elevated, you can still drive it, as you can see, with the seat elevated. So if you're in the kitchen and you want to drive and with the seat elevated to do your dishes or grab stuff off the cabinet, you can still do it. Let's look at the base. You can see how nice and shiny that seat lift is. So you have 14-inch solid wheels. They will not mark your floors. Caster wheels in the back, caster wheels in the front, well, front, back. You have a motor for each wheel. These are 4-pole motors. These are really good motors. These are the high-end motors right here. 4-pole motors. They're directly connected to your wheel. As you can see, it will not move because you're in gear. If I want to roll this chair, if I had an issue with the chair and I need to roll it, all I would have to do is turn the power off, push the lever down, and now you see, you have to do both levers. And now I'm in neutral, okay? When you're done rolling it, then put it back in gear, put it back on. The reason you want the power off, you want no resistance in the motor. You have an anchor point here, an anchor point there. You have 2 on this side. These are right into the frame. They're not going anywhere. This is where you secure your chair to your lift or your van for transportation. Another thing about this chair that makes this chair fantastic is the suspension. If you look at the suspension in front, look at that suspension right here. I'm not sure if I can lift this wheel or not. Yes, I can. You can see the suspension at work right there. Both sides are independent. And you have the same suspension back here, which does the same thing for this wheel and that wheel. This is why these chairs are so highly in demand, is because of the suspension, the motors they have in here. Of course, this one comes with a 6-inch seat lift, which is a nice bonus to have. The seat lift is good. It gives you a lot of other opportunity you would not have without a seat lift. Also, people like the seat lift because it helps them get out of the chair if they have to walk away. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to bring the seat back down. Now the joystick is on the right side right here. If you're left-handed, we can switch it to the left side with no problem. So we're back down. So this chair right here has a captain's seat. That means you have a lever here. So if you're going to transport this chair, your high point rate is about 32 inches, the height right here. So you can drop the back all the way back to here, or driving position would be about here. The arms flip up. They're also adjustable. There's a little Allen set screw right here with my fingers. You can raise these arms up higher if you want to also, okay? You have a safety belt, which well, here it is. Let me put it on the seat so you can see. So there is a safety belt that comes with the chair. The seat on this chair is 19 by 19. And the nice thing about this seat is one of those seats that you see how it starts high and it goes down. It drops about 4 or 5 inches. It keeps you in the bottom of the seat, which is really nice. It's really nice and contoured. A very nice seat. This is a mid-wheel drive, so it turns on its own length. So if you're in the house and you want to turn in a circle, it will not move from where you're at. The footplate in front, when you leave, you can exit this way. Now they have the footplate all the way out. It can be moved in. There's 2 or 3 inches it can go back in. So instead of sitting here, it could be sitting here. So this footplate can go here or can go up to here. Okay, it can go back in. When you change the batteries in this chair, they come out from the front. Most Quantum chairs, batteries come out from the front, most of them. There's 2 levers. Squeeze the levers in, pull the cover off. There's 2 batteries. They come out from the front. They're 55 amp batteries, group 22. 55 amp batteries, group 22. Put this back on. And usually when we do a video, it never goes back in the right way. I don't know what it is about videos, but it came off real easy. Please go in. There we go. So now, that's it. It's got suspension, got the foot plate, got the seat. Let's talk about the charging. When you charge this chair, you will take your Quantum charger, and you'll plug it right here. And as soon as the light goes from orange to green, the charger will stop charging. So, let's recap the chair. This is a Quantum 6-edge power chair, practically brand new, mid-wheel drive, so it has a really good turning radius. It has the 6-inch seat lift. It has a captain seat, flip-up arms, safety belt, anchor points. It has the 4-pole motors. It has the bag in the back. It also has the original manual right here, still sitting in the back pocket. So if you're looking for a really nice power chair, and this chair is pretty fast, it'll go between 5 and 6 miles an hour also. But you're looking for a chair that's fast with a good base, but you also want the seat lift, and you can do with a 6-inch seat lift. This would be a nice one right here. So this is the Quantum 6-edge power chair with the 6-inch seat lift. You can see how well it maneuvers, and you can see when I stop, as soon as I let the joystick go, it's got built-in brakes, electromagnetic brakes, so it's pretty nice. It slows the chair down to a crawl within a foot or two. Now I have it on full speed right now. If you guys drive it on speed number 1, it would go a lot slower. So you can see these motors went through the grass with no problem. So of course my grass has a good bottom, so as long as your grass is not mushy and you're not in sandy grass, this chair will go through there with no problem. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to elevate the seat so you can see the seat elevated again. As you can see, the seat is going up right now 6 inches. You can see my feet are not touching the foot plate anymore. And you can still drive the chair with the seat elevated in the kitchen, whatever you're going to use it at, about walking speed. So when the seat's elevated, you'll be able to go to about walking speed. So if you're looking for a power chair with a 6-inch seat lift that's pretty fast, this one goes at least 6 miles an hour with solid tires, anchor points, captain seat. This is another beauty. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.